In this we are showing you the demo of the one by one modules from the Bahikhata platform, and in this video we'll walk through the generic item bill section of the sales module. If you go to the sales module and the last module which will be the generic bills items. So let's begin with the listing part, explaining you. So we will show you all the listing here for all the generic bill items, and in this table we are displaying our selling date, the product details with all the product details in tagged in further, like model, color, RAM, HDD, IMEI number, and phone ID, battery percentage, warranty, and all the product details. Then we have the pricing details, like what is the purchase amount and how much is the balance left. Then we will show the customer name and number, then we will show the GST details, we'll show the selling price, and then we will show the invoice number for this. We have two buttons at the right hand side where we can click on the edit button and we can edit these details. As I will show you, I'll select this and I'll select the number and I'll click on next. Required, let's select the date. So now my product details has been come. I can edit any of the details from here and click on this update product, so it gets updated. We'll click on next and the updated product is in front of us. So firstly I'll just show you at the top hand side there are at the top of the screen there are two buttons, add new product and filter. So by using the filter we can filter out by entering the balance or purchase amount or the customer name and number, GST amount, selling price, and invoice number. Let's filter it by the customer name. I'll select the customer and apply the filter. So accordingly for this customer I have received only one entry and this has been shown. We can also click on the filter and we can reset the filter to come back to our original list. Now I will show you how to add a generic bill. We can categorize from subproduct and primary products accordingly. So in the primary product I'll show you how to add one. I'll select the state, then I'll select the vendor name and number. Click on next. I will add one product. Let's say I'm adding Pixel 8 for now. Let's add IMEI number here. We can add a battery percentage of 90%. Then we can add quantity. Let's say 10 quantity. Price per piece is 25k, and selling price can be. So now our purchase amount will be in this. So our selling price will be definitely be higher than that. So let's say let's say 300,000. Okay. So now we can also select the GST checklist and we can add our GST value. Let's say I GST 18%, and we can select the mode of payment, whether it's cash or online. So let's say the balance is 3,54,000. So let's keep it as a balance and not pay the full amount. So let's say I will pay 2,54,000 and 1 lakh. Let's keep 1 lakh as balance amount. So click on add new product. My product has been listed at the right hand side, so I can review it from here. I can also edit it again and delete this entry entirely. So after reviewing it, I'll click on the next button and then it will land me to the payment details. I will review all my pricing details and I'll click on next. As soon as I click on next, my shopping invoice has been generated with the billing to the vendor details, and then we can tally all our product details from here. We can check the quantity is correct or not. IGST details have been intact, and at the bottom we are showing all the pricing details. You can tally and review all the pricing details from here. In this invoice you can also print this invoice. You can also download it by clicking on the save as PDF button, and also you can email it to any of your customers or anyone. Let's click on back button and we are again on the home page of the generic bill item. At the bottom the pagination have been intact, and we can say that it's a wrap up on the generic bill item. I explained you all the basic details which are happening in this. We are adding a new product in the generic bill item. We can categorize by different products. At the right hand side, we can edit and view these details, and we can also filter it out by various filters which are intact. So this module is basically designed to help you manage everyday sales records that may not have standard invoices. So that is a wrap. In the upcoming videos, I will explore more about the purchase tab. So thank you for watching. If you like it, hit the like button and the subscribe button.